Hey everyone, I'm Alan. Welcome back, and today I've got something special on the table from a brand that has basically mastered the athletic fit performance fabric. Presenting State and Liberty. I finally got my hands on their field jacket in navy, and I'm so hyped on this one because this is the first time that I would be wearing this kind of clothing, the performance fabric, and typically the way that the jackets that I worn are a bit stiff, a bit hard on the texture, also hard on the material, and you can barely move. Also, you're like wearing a canvas tent, so yeah, that's the typical experience on my end on wearing jackets, outdoor jackets, and the feeling of that is not that pleasant. So yeah, I'm excited to unbox this and see how it goes. This one usually costs around $250, and yeah, it is on the premium level and then on the premium side. And also, this is my first time wearing a premium jacket. And before we unbox this, I would like to give a huge shout out to Orion, Jake, and Lee. You guys are the best. So this is the box and it is huge. So you can see here at the front is their slogan, Athletic Fit Performance Fabric Menswear. And also you can see the value points like true athletic fit, office ready, performance fabric, and low maintenance. And at the back, you can see their socials here, Facebook, website, Instagram, Twitter, and this is the website, stateandliberty.com. So yeah, it is huge and I'm excited to open this one. What's unique on this is I think they are positioning themselves on the athletic fit build on the guys, and I'm not athletic yet, but yeah, let's see if it fits well on me even if I'm not athletic yet. So yeah, this is the box. It's a huge box, flexing the muscles, no. Yeah. And also let's see. Sorry, I suck at an unboxing, so I don't know what's the right unboxing tool. And here it goes. So you can see here the card, note from the founders. You can see there. Wow, it's a beautiful card. Also, this is the contents on the card, their logo, and the layout is good. There's a QR code here if you want to schedule a consultation on sizing, and also you can search here the store locations near you, no? And also they have this one, ambassador program. Wow, scan this to sign up and give $25 or get $50. So yeah, refer your friends now. Wow. Also, if you have weddings, you can scan this one to schedule a fitting on your suits. Yeah, it's also good here. Then aside from the card, you get the invoice and you got a sticker. Wow, you have a sticker. State and Liberty, Ann Arbor, Michigan. So this is good. Established in 2015. Wow. And now you can see the packaging here, and this is the jacket. So let's see. This is the jacket. So upon looking the color, first glance, I like the color blue, guys. So yeah, that's my favorite color. And also I picked the navy one because yeah, I like color blue. And this shade of navy is so right for me because I can um, I can match my everyday outfits on this one. It's not that vibrant, yet it is neutral. You can go along all other outfits on this one. So wait, for the first glance also, if you touch the fabric, it's so soft and light. And it is my first time touching a jacket that is so light and also so soft. And most of the jackets that I remember, or the outdoor jackets, outerwear jackets, are so stiff and so hard, and yeah, it's like canvas tent. But this one is so unique, so unique. Then you can see here the value points, also the tag, the hang tag. Wow, it also has an emblem here. Wow, can you guys see it? I don't know how the influencers do it. The the focusing one. No? Seeing this jacket, let's see the inner fabric. I'm not an expert on clothing, but I like to have my garments and clothing to be comfortable. And also, wow, upon touching this fabric, inner fabric, it's like a stretchable fabric or spandex, like kind of a jacket. And I think it's so cold if you wear this one, no? And also, you can see the adjustable here on the jacket. And I'll try to fit this one. And yeah, let's try it now. Let's see if we can pull off the ones that influencers do. Let's try. I don't think so. So yeah, this is the clothes. This is the field jacket. I'm liking the fit, guys. Look at my shoulders. So structured here. And also, first things first, if you have a State and Liberty clothing, you will do the stretch test. So do the stretch test with me. Wow, this is a stretchable jacket. This is the first time I'm seeing a stretchable jacket. I'm liking this one. So I'm 5'6" and I got the medium one, and upon seeing the clothes, I like the fit on this one. And also, I love the smell of new clothes. Yeah, look at that. Even if I don't have a figure of an athletic guy, look at that. So I'm like an anime character, or yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And yeah, look this one. Look at this one. The color, it fits well. So if I unbutton this one all the way up here, I look like this. Yeah, it does not fit me well on this one, this kind of style. But if you unbutton this, yeah, you look like a rock star. Yeah, you see, it fits well. It made me look like I'm a celebrity. Also, I like the length of this one. It's not too long and it's not too short on my end, because I like the ones that are not too long, because I like to expose my watches. And yeah, let's see the whole fit when I'm standing. So yeah, this is how it looks. I don't know how to pose, guys. So how do you pose? I'm on my AC right now and this works. I don't feel cold. I don't feel cold. So yeah, the fit really looks good. The fit really looks good. Yeah, it's not too big, it's not too small for me, and it feels right for me. So I saw on the website the jacket is on this height, but yeah, I'm 5'6", and the height on this jacket is on this side. Let's do the stretch test. Yeah, you can see the stretchable fabric, and I can move freely on this jacket. Not the typical jackets that I can run, can move freely. So yeah, it's good, it's comfy, it's lightweight, and yeah, I will be rocking this one on my travel. And I don't want to be clothes like that, and I want like this one, like I'm a professor at some kind of a university. But yeah, thumbs up for me, and this is a good jacket. For my price, yeah, it's typically a lot in the Philippines, but I do recommend this one if you have the buck for this one. So I dig this jacket. I dig this jacket. I look like a celebrity. I would like to highlight this one, the buttons. You can see the buttons here. Attention to details. It's not the typical solid color buttons, but it has a pattern like a stone something, a stone button. You could see here the button has a texture on it. Can you see? Can you see? It has a texture. It's not the typically solid type of buttons. And yeah, thank you for watching, and feel free to comment if the fit looks good on me, and check out State and Liberty on their website, stateandliberty.com, and also check their socials, Instagram and on Facebook. And hopefully you enjoy this kind of content that I'm randomly vlogging and also randomly unboxing different kinds of things and reviewing other kinds of hobbies. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on the next episode.